And
Vietnam.
she is.
Vietnam. Second runner-up, Vietnam. Vietnam. Ghana, Vietnam, Ghana.
She is Huang Yang Nguyen from Vietnam.
Yan! No way! Vietnam! Hindi kayo nanalo. Vietnam. Hoy! Gusto ko si Ghana ha. Gusto ko si Ghana ang manalo but I go for Colombia. Si Puga rin. Kasi siya yung may star quality. Sa pa-all-star ni Uncle mga karag-karag. So, Vanessa pa rin ako. Kahit sabihin kong mas malakas yung naging sagot ni Ghana.
Here are our
Vanessa!
two finalists.
Pa rin.
One of them will be crowned the very first MGI All-Stars winner.
Vanessa.
Now, the winner of the MGI All-Stars
Sana mali
first
ako
edition
kasi ang ganda ng
will
sagot ni
return
Ghana.
to defend her title in the next edition. And if she successfully keeps the crown for a third
Ganda ni
consecutive
Vanessa,
term, she will receive a grand total prize of $1 million.
Oh,
Wow.
$1 million.
And now, are you ready to know who will be our first ever MGI All-Stars?
Vanessa!
We can't hear you.
Vanessa!
Ready your phone.
Pero sa sagot si Ghana. May all-style quality si Vanessa. Vanessa! Sige na, Uncle, i-Vanessa mo na.
Our first ever MGI All-Stars winner is
Vanessa!
Vanessa!
Oh, di ba? Tama si Kuragan. Tama na naman yung hula ko. Yes! Colombia! Oh, since day one, yung pagka-chismosa ni Kuragan, nakatawa na naman ako.